What's up guys, it's Alex with BrokeBoyAutos, and I wanted to show you something I got recently. My Miata is about 32 years old, it's from 1994, and I feel like the bushings are probably needing to be replaced. I looked under the car, I found a few things, I'm like, I don't think this looks right. So I went online and I found this kit right here. It's polyurethane by Energy Suspension. I'm hoping that it's good. Honestly, I don't really know. The reviews are really great. I haven't had anything other than the rubber, so I know it squeaks sometimes, but I saw some techniques on YouTube that should help with the squeaking and make these bad boys last forever. The cool thing is once I open it, it literally comes with the whole kit. So like, whoa! I already opened this side, you can see. But I'm going to start off with, this is the grease they come with. You can open it, I'll open that in a second, but this is the grease that it comes with. It's super nice. So, I already opened this one. This is for the rear control arms. I already opened that and I'll show you that in a second. But I really wanted to show you a couple things that are coming to it. What's this one say? Miata rear stab bar bushing. It's quality. Looks really, really good. And what I like about it is that it's numbered here, so it's super, super easy when you want to put it in your car. When they make it dump-proof. This right here is instructions for the Miata. This might be the front control arms, most likely, but you open it up, it has the instructions for the specific part that you're putting it on, so that makes it much, makes it really easy. And I'll show you that once again. I'll show you that one in a second. Just want to show you guys. Oh, look at that. Well, I'm gonna have to put this on my car. Now, this is pretty cool. So I'm happy I got this so far. So far, I can't say that it's good, but in the hand, it definitely feels good quality. It feels like it has a little bit of grease, so it's not, oh, this is brand new, so the product's new. But what I wanted to say was, you can see that the number right there, so what is that, 2696? And what that correlates to is if I go over here to the manual, doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Let me just open this up. You can see, that's my YouTube, by the way. If you want to check me out on YouTube, my other videos, obviously you're watching this on YouTube, but if you want to check out my other videos, that's my Volkswagen. That's the oil extractor where you can do right through the dipstick. So that's pretty cool. You can see me pulling that right there. But back to what we're doing over here. So this is the parts list. So you want to read this. It says the master set. On there it tells you like this is the actual number you're looking for on the bag. So make sure you find that in the bag that we're looking at earlier. It tells you every piece that's actually in the bag. And then more or less what you gotta do to set it up. So front control arm, rear, all that good stuff there. The back doesn't have anything. Let me see if anything's in the bag. Ah, sorry. These are general instructions. That's my bad. So these are actually just telling you what's actually in the kit. So let me go. So, oh yeah, obviously, open first. But this tells you everything that's in the kit. You can see that. This, I mean, it's quality. I probably have to get more grease. That's one thing that everybody said you probably need to get more. They're kind of stingy on. This tube actually looks a little bit bigger than the one I saw in the other videos, but probably double the size. But if anything, we'll probably buy more grease, but so far looking pretty good. Put this one down here for now. Put these to the side down here. Alrighty, so this is what I actually wanted to take out. It's the installation guide. So you're gonna find that number, that set. I believe it's set right there, right? Yeah, that's the G. Yeah, so this matches up right there. When I open the instructions, this is where it's going to tell you actually how to install. There we go. This is making more sense now. So these are the instructions. It tells you, like, you see where it says 2696. I have to find that one. It might be this one. Let me see. Yep, that's 2696. Let me see if I can focus it. There we go. So 2696 on this side, and that side, this side, that side, and then it tells you the actual metal sleeve that you're going to find there. It's going to tell you the dimensions and where to put it in. And then down here, I believe it actually tells you, yeah, so like the rear, right, lower control arm, the outer, the size, just so you don't get confused. And I mean, it should be pretty simple. Should be pretty simple. We're going to figure it out, but you put it in this way, you shove the sleeve in, you put the bolt in. That's pretty much it. But this is the kit. It is a good kit so far from what I've seen. We're going to be installing it over the next probably 2 weeks. I'm taking my time. I want to paint the control arms. I already took off the rears. But this is the kit right here. Let me show you a couple more things. This is the rear stab bar bushing. So this is the sway bar right here. See right there. I already showed you this one. This is the front bushing kit. And if we go back in here, what else we got? This one right here. Okay, this is the front sway bar. So that one's the rear sway bar. This is the front sway bar. Push it away. Nice. It is nice though. Boom. And then the last one that comes in the kit is the differential bushing set. So I might do this one. I'm not sure if I want to do it just yet. Probably should. The car's already jacked up. Just makes me a little bit nervous, but a little nervous is not bad. So this is the kit right here. Got energy suspension. So far I think it's good. We're installing it, so the real test is that when I install it on the car, is it good? Hopefully. On Amazon, I'll post a link so you can get it if you want to buy it. Follow my lead. But yeah, if you want to subscribe on YouTube, I'm always doing something fun with cars. You know, I'm not an expert, but I do like to try new things. You can see I got my Volkswagen once again. This is just me cleaning up me changing the oil, cleaning it up down here where the filter goes. That's actually that's just the filter right there. But for this video, let me know, guys. This is suspension for the Miata by Energy Suspension. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe on YouTube, and see you guys later. Peace. Something I did want to mention is that it came really fast from Amazon, so that's actually a plus. If you need it like a day or two, I think this thing came like literally in a day or two. The boxing, like how they package it, it's really good, it's really strong. When you open it, literally, it's well packaged. You should have no problem there. I cut this one up, obviously, so that I can show you guys, but the packaging is really, really nice. So you guys should have no complaints there. And I think I just messed up the sticker. Oh, that makes me sad.